Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you a new way to envision magnetic fields without using the traditional iron filings. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation are two beakers. One is a 250 milliliter beaker, and then the other one is much smaller. It's just a 50 milliliter beaker. I'm using a neodymium magnet, and I'm using 4 small screws. So oftentimes when you look at images that depict magnetic fields, it'll show a magnet and you'll see these arched lines that show how the magnetic fields go from the North Pole and they arch out and then they are attracted to the South Pole. And you'll see these arched lines that are drawn on both sides of the magnet. And when you use iron filings over a magnet, you'll definitely see those magnetic fields appear. But this is a new way to see those arched lines, those magnetic fields appear around a permanent magnet that I think you'll find interesting. Okay, so in this demonstration, these screws are going to make those arched magnetic fields that you see. So I would start by taking your small 50 milliliter beaker and putting your permanent magnet on top of it, like this. And then take your larger 250 milliliter beaker and just put it upside down over the magnet so there's just a little bit of space there. Then take your screw and put the pointed end of the screw onto the top of the beaker, and you'll see that it will want to kind of hang out to the side like that. Next, take a second screw and position it on the opposite side, and you'll see that it'll kind of hang to the opposite side. But it'll show those same magnetic fields how they arch out. You can take your third screw, place it over on another side, and you can even touch them, and they'll maintain those magnetic fields. Just a neat effect. And if you can kind of position them, you can get a fourth screw on there, and you can see those magnetic fields line up. Even when you touch them, they just kind of quiver. Such a neat demonstration and just really easy to do. Kind of different than just using that traditional iron filing method of showing magnetic fields. Just look at that. Really cool. Here's a bird's eye view of it. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.